Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows 11 could not automatically detect this network's proxy settings error in Windows or a computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed to your start icon. Please do a right click and go with settings. Okay, so once you are being redirected here at the settings, you need to proceed on the left side of it. You can see an option called Network and Internet. Click on it. And here under the Network and Internet tab, you need to look for an option called Proxy. Click on it. And here under the manual proxy setup, you need to ensure that it is off. How you can ensure such, just have to click on Setup and turn this off. Once you have turned it off, click on saved and it will mark off here. Okay. So once you have turned off the proxy setup, the manual proxy setup, you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then you need to move on to our second method. Our second method will be here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, a system called command prompt will appear, where here you need to proceed on run as administrator. Okay, so your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you will be able to give permission on running the system as administrator. So here you need to type for net sh space winsock space reset. Again, type netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. So the moment it will says here, successfully reset the Winsock catalog. Just have to restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Okay? So navigate to your start icon, go with your power icon again, and this time you need to choose on restart. Now there is a must restart your computer as what it has being said to complete the reset process. Okay, so that's it. Those are the two methods on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.